For this installation you will need a flathead screwdriver. Open the trunk. The trunk light is located on the driver's side. Insert the flathead screwdriver on this side to pry out the light housing. This is the clip holding in place. Remove the incandescent bulb using the flathead screwdriver. Install the all-new LED light bulb and test it. Reinstall the light housing and push it until you hear a snap. When measuring by light meter, the LED light is 5 times brighter than incandescent light. One small LED bulb makes a huge difference in lighting up the entire trunk area.